सेकंड गिफ्ट मानवी का
Now what is this, Manvi?
Bottle.
Water bottle.
Self
Wow,
water
you like it?
bottle. Wow.
And there is something else. You got one pen free.
But
This is the pen.
पिंक कलर मंगाया था पर बोतल तो रेड
नहीं नहीं, मानवी ने रेड की कही थी. बाद में मुझसे रेड की कह दी थी मानवी ने.
स्पाइडर. वाओ स्पाइडर.
स्पाइडरमैन वाटर बॉटल. मानवी की स्पाइडरमैन वाटर बॉटल. You like it? And hanging is also there. You can hang it, right? You wanted to hang the bottle?
स्टैंड अप स्टैंड अप.
Now stand up.
कैसे लेके जाना है बोतल को?
School.
स्कूल लेके जाना है.
But why? Why will you take the bottle to the school?
इसमें पानी भरना था.
You say I want to fill water in this.
I want to say.
And you will drink water with this, right?
Yeah.
And there is a pen free with this bottle.
वाओ पेन भी
Can
फ्री
you-
मिला है गिफ्ट.
Give this pen to daddy, okay? This is daddy's pen. Thank you. Do you like the bottle?
And this is Manvi bottle.
This is Manvi's bottle.
किस कलर?
And how will you hang it?
Red.
This is red color bottle.
येलो.
And you will hang it in your neck or on the shoulder? Neck or on the shoulder?
नेक.
Neck. Okay then, say dear friends, bye.
बाय.
Bye.
No, look at the camera, na. This
Bye,
is the camera.
friends.
Say look at. Bye friends.
Bye.
Arey, look at the camera, bhai.
बाय फ्रेंड्स.
You are so happy with the bottle.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.